It's Patrick at Pals, BMW. Been around for a long time. Great cars. They're from Bavaria. BMW stands for Bavarian Motor Works. So you ask, why is this car here? Well, it's got a coolant leak. It also needs some other maintenance. This is a diesel engine. Something that you may not realize with diesel is they require cleaning just like gas burners periodically. Look at the buildup of debris inside that throttle body. That's from lack of maintenance. If you have a diesel, whether it's a BMW, a Ford, a Chevy, a Ram, a Mercedes, they require regular maintenance for their fuel systems. Just because it's a diesel doesn't mean that they don't need regular maintenance to clean out the fuel injectors and the throttle bodies to make them run more efficiently. By cleaning this throttle body, we can save the customer a lot of money on the other side because it'll last a lot longer. If you have a BMW diesel and you need regular maintenance on it, bring it to Pals. See you soon.